Hi students, I am CHING. Today we are going to carry out an experiment which related to transpiration in plants. Students, before we continue our experiment, you should know what is the transpiration. So actually transpiration is a loss of water in the form of water vapor from the plant to the atmosphere, right? Okay, that's good. Now today our experiment is to investigate the factors that affecting the rate of transpiration in the term of air movement. Students, if you still remember, there are 4 factors that affect the transpiration rate. So one of them are air movement. So the other 4, the other 3, you can refer to your textbook in page 104 or you can Google. Okay, now students, for this experiment, the aim is to study the effect of air movement on the rate of transpiration. The problem statement is, what is the effect of air movement on the rate of transpiration? And the hypothesis, increase in air movement increases the rate of transpiration. Okay, ready students? Okay, that's good. So there are 3 variables. Manipulated variable is the air movement. That means they are absent or present of air. And then the responding variable is rate of transpiration in plants. And the constant variables are size and type of plants, light intensity, air humidity, temperature, and the time taken for this experiment. So how about the materials and the apparatus? We need 2 sets of materials and apparatus. So we need 2 young balsam plants with rods, and then we need cotton wool and oil. The apparatus are electronic balance, fans, conical flux, and clock. This is our stopwatch. So there are procedures. First of all, you need to prepare 2 sets of potometer, or we call it as mass potometer. Okay, you need a conical flux, and then fill the conical flux with 70% of water. And then cover the water surface by using oil. And we just put the plants into the water and fix it with the cotton wool. Okay, ready? So we need to put the apparatus in 2 parts. Okay, before this, you should measure the mass of both apparatus set up. This is what we call mass potometer, and record your observation in the table. So the initial mass you need to record on the table. So after this, we should set up 2 places. The first one, you need to put the apparatus on the absence of air movement. That means there are less air movement or there are no air movement. The other set, you should put on the higher air movement. Okay, you can switch on the fans and start the stopwatch. After this, after 3 hours, you should measure the mass of both apparatus set up. That means you should measure both mass potometer and once again record the observation in the table. So how about the calculation for the rate of transpiration? So this is the formula, students. There are change in mass of potometer in the unit of gram per time taken in a minute. That means gram per minute is the rate of transpiration. And this is your table. Okay, we have initial mass and final mass. They are absent or present of the air movement. So from the experiment and the result, okay, you can make a conclusion. The hypothesis is accepted. So that means when air movement increases, the rate of transpiration increases. Okay, students, before I finish or I stop this experiment, you should know there are 4 factors that affect our rate of transpiration. The first one is air movement. We have temperature, light intensity, and the last one is the humidity. Okay, thank you very much.